A burned-out license plate bulb is a common issue that affects visibility and safety. Not only is it illegal to drive with non-working lights, but it can lead to fines or accidents. Replacing the bulb on your 2017-2023 Chrysler Pacifica is a simple DIY task that takes just 10 to 15 minutes. This saves you time and money compared to taking it to a mechanic. This video guides you through the entire process for a successful replacement. It's important to replace the bulb quickly to remain compliant with traffic laws. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, and a magnetic one is particularly helpful to avoid dropping screws. You'll need a replacement bulb, typically a 194 wedge base or 168 LED equivalent, matching 12 volts and 5 watts. Wear gloves to protect your hands and prevent fingerprints on the lenses. A small flathead screwdriver is optional, but recommended for additional access. A plastic pry tool is optional, but recommended for safely removing clips. Dielectric grease is optional, but recommended to protect electrical connectors. Make sure to check your vehicle's manual for the exact bulb specification to ensure compatibility. Locate the license plate light housing on the rear liftgate. This is typically a small rectangular cover near the top of the liftgate where the license plate is mounted. Depending on the year, the housing is secured by 1 or 2 Phillips head screws or plastic clips. If using screws, carefully unscrew them counterclockwise. If secured by plastic clips, gently pry the housing outward using a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool. Be careful not to scratch the paint. Once loose, gently pull the housing out from the liftgate. Avoid pulling on the wires to prevent damaging the electrical connections. With the housing detached, disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb socket if applicable. Then twist and pull the old bulb out of the socket. If it's stuck, use gloves for a better grip. Discard the old bulb properly. Now for step 3, installing the new bulb. Start by inserting the new bulb into the socket. If using an LED bulb, polarity is crucial. The longer lead and rounded side indicate the positive connection, while the shorter lead and flat side are negative. The bulb works only in one direction. If the bulb doesn't light after installation, simply flip it 180 degrees and try again. This corrects the polarity. The Chrysler Pacifica typically uses 194 wedge base bulbs, or 168 LED equivalents. Ensure the bulb matches the socket type. Once the bulb is securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector firmly to complete the installation. Carefully align the housing with the opening in the liftgate. Ensure the gasket is properly seated to prevent water from entering. Push the housing back into place until it snaps in or is flush with the surface. Reinstall the screws, being careful not to over-tighten and crack the plastic. If clips, simply push the housing back in until they click. Turn on your vehicle's lights to test the new license plate bulb. The bulb should illuminate the license plate clearly. If the bulb doesn't work, first double-check the bulb's polarity. LEDs have specific orientation requirements. Next, ensure the bulb is securely connected to the socket. Loose connections are a common issue. A blown fuse is a common cause of license plate light failure. The fuse box is typically located under the dashboard. Check for a blown fuse in the rear lighting circuit. If after checking polarity, connection, and fuse, the bulb still doesn't work, consult a qualified mechanic for further diagnosis. Now that you've completed the replacement, here are some important tips and future trends to keep in mind. Consider using dielectric grease on the bulb contacts to prevent corrosion and ensure better electrical connection. LED bulbs last significantly longer than incandescent bulbs, reducing the need for future replacements and saving time. Many newer Pacifica models, especially hybrids, come equipped with LED license plate lights from the factory. Future models may integrate lighting diagnostics into the vehicle's infotainment system, alerting you to bulb issues before they become problems. Remember to always dispose of used bulbs responsibly to protect the environment. You've now successfully replaced your Chrysler Pacifica's license plate bulb.